Hi and welcome to Nickwell Motorhomes. I'm Andy and this is the Dethleffs Trend T7057. Now it's just around about 7.4 metres in length. It'll travel 4, it will sleep 4. Technically 5, but we'll go into that when we go inside. It's done what, just under 20,000 miles, around about 18 and a half. So it's yeah, it's a nice van, and if you like your German vans, you're going to like this. So as we have a walk around, we'll see what we've got. So as we can see, it's based on a Fiat Ducato. You've got diesel filler just here. That's where we fill your water. Gas locker down here, and of course we do have a large garage. Now you'll see you've got access both sides. These cushions are so you can make up the extra bed inside. It might work for you, it might not. Like I say, it has got normal 4-berth 4 travel, so we'll see. Then of course just here we've got your bike rack, and we do have a reversing camera down there as well. Access from the garage to the side, and you can see it's large. And again, you've got your tie downs, but the beauty is there's no lip either here, and it's quite low down. So if you've got scooters and things to get in, it really should be pretty much of a doddle in a van like this. Then of course we have an awning, flue for your heating, electric hookup point, cassette toilet. Let's have a look inside. So you can see that the upholstery is very neutral, and again it's got quite a light and airy feel to it, which is great. The dinette area here, this table can move in all directions, and like I say, this can drop down so you can make up another single bed just here. But in all honesty, you've got 4 travelling seats and you've got a double electric bed, and it is a proper double up above. So whether you'd need it or not, I don't know. But when we look in the cab, we have climate control air conditioning just there. We have traction plus and hill descent just here. We've got cruise control. We've got electric mirrors, electric windows, and of course we've got 4 Rems cab lines. Now, the nice thing is as well is we've got this panoramic light, roof light just above us. Again, lets a lot of natural lighting, and it does feel very airy in here. Now I'm going to show you how this bed works just above us, because like I say, really, this, for me, if you've got the extra travel seat, maybe, but it works very well as a 4-berth 4 travel. Now, when you're putting this bed up, one thing that's very important is this is not a cupboard. This just pretends to be a cupboard, but you do need to lift it up, otherwise you will crack it when you're dropping down the bed. So we attach from there, and then we have a key just here. And then what we do is we press the button. And down it comes. Now you can see we've got the ladder on there, but it is a genuine double up here. So again, you've got lots and lots of space. You've also got netting underneath the mattresses there, which will lock up on either side. So again, it means you're not going to roll out in the middle of the night if you've had a couple too many. And again, the great thing is you can leave your quilt on there as well. Not too many cushions because it'll think somebody's still in the bed. But you leave your quilt on there, and then when you're done, you press the button in, up it pops, and it's out the way. So again, usually these beds, you'll find that they're either a single or a 2/3 at best. This is a genuine double bed up there. Now, while we're still in the lounge, you've got lots and lots of living space. It's very relaxed. You've got the U-shape just here, so you've got more seating. Like I say, the table will lock off. You can have it in all positions. Then, of course, we've got storage up above on either side. Didn't actually say, of course, the media centre in here as well is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. More storage, and you do have storage up in the cab as well. Obviously with Dethleffs, I always put these nice clocks on here, which really does look the part. And as a kitchen, it works as well, because we've got nice big sink just here. We've got 3 gas hobs there. And then again, something you don't find in a lot of German vans, we've got an oven grill just here as well. So again, drop down. Heat shield there, just remember to pop that out when you're grilling so the heat doesn't come up and melt your controls. Lots of storage again. Nice big cutlery drawer there. And of course we've got 230 volt there, another 230 volt there. We've got a huge fridge freezer just here. It's a 3-way. So let's have a look. We've got the catch just there. I mean, as you can see, there's loads and loads of space in there. Now, the biggest compromise you find on a lot of vans is the living area. Now, as we've said, you've got a lovely big open plan living area in the front here, which you can sit 4 or 5 people very comfortably round. But what is important sometimes is if the weather's bad or one of you wants to go to bed or you've just had a flaming row with the other half, is the ability to do this. That door could save more marriages than any counsellor. It's great because if the weather's awful and you're away and you're just on top of one another, sometimes you need that bit of space. The ability to close a door cannot be overestimated. So I'm going to wander around here so Mia can come in and show you into the toilet just there. So we've got a separate shower on this side. And then over on the opposite side, we've got your toilet. We've got big wardrobe space in there as well. You've got your cassette toilet, you've got more storage, and you've got a nice mirror. Then, of course, we have this really nice sized big island bed. And again, it is designed for 2 adults. And you will see just above there as well, of course, as we've got a habitation AC. Wardrobe space on either side. And lockers again above. Now, I'm not the tallest, but I'm going to give you a bit of a go. I shall keep my feet up in the air. There we go, look. My head's nowhere near where we've actually got the headboard. But you can see you can fit 2 proper sized adults on there. And even though you've lost the skylight here for the aircon, you've still got 2 windows either side, so it lets a lot of natural light in. Yeah, it's a van as a genuine 4-berth, 4 travel seat. It works exceptionally well and would be brilliant for a couple touring for months on end because that garage space is absolutely superb. So, like I said, 2019 registered, done just under 20,000 miles. What more could you possibly want? Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully this works for you. If not, well, we do have lots and lots of vans in stock and we do lots and lots of videos as well, so keep an eye out. Thank you very much for watching and hopefully we'll speak to you again soon.